Wow. Okay, so thank you so much for sharing an amazing ample.
You're welcome one day.
Okay, thank you. So what would be in the second box?
The second box.
So Prescott, can we move on to the second box?
No.
No?
Okay, yes. Let's see what's up. Let's see what we got.
So, can I pick this one?
Yeah.
What would be in the second box?
Well, let's find out. Let's open it up.
Yeah.
Where's your cute carrot cutter?
In my pocket. And I'm gonna use a cute carrot knife as well. I'm opening.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take it away.
Box is opening.
I'll get the other side.
Whee!
Ooh.
So how to use it?
Yeah, so let's get into it. You can print custom nail designs. Anything from custom patterns, kind of like this one. That's cute, love. More patterns like that.
So we can design it?
Yeah, design anything.
Oh, okay.
And you can also print out pictures as well. So if maybe you have a picture of your dog, a picture of your mom, if you have a girlfriend, a picture of your girlfriend, or if you love yourself, a picture of your own face. So yeah, we can actually try it out right now. So you go on the app, Nail Pop, and you can see that there's a hand, template hand, press plus, design.
Yeah.
Design.
This is design.
Yes, Korean word. And then you can individually design each nail. So for the thumb, onjikaragoro, let's get. So we can do you can do a pattern, any kind of pattern here. Oh, there's a lot of patterns. That one's cool, kind of like a spider web. So that's omjikarak, and then you can get your pointer finger. So besides designs, you can also get stickers. So we have 3 right here.
Yes.
We can print it out and see how it comes out.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, it's pretty cute.
How did you find out about this?
So actually, my girlfriend was watching beauty YouTubers, and she said this nail device here is pretty popular. It's trending right now among beauty YouTubers. She asked me to get one. I checked it out. I thought it was cool, and honestly, if I could get my nails done more without people like looking at me weird on the street, I'd be wearing some cute designs all day.
Okay.
I'd be wearing my own face mostly.
Oh.
Yeah, so check it out. You can see the picture quality is super high. It's like a real picture on your nails.
Yeah, it is. Do you know how to use it?
Yeah, so I think our nails aren't really like long enough for it, but typically if you have longer nails, you would apply it and then shave it down and match it. But I'll show you. Do you have your pointer finger?
Yeah.
Your thumb? Okay,
Yeah,
so
can I do it on the thumb?
we'll attach our picture, our nail
It's
picture.
too big for it.
Yeah, you need to grow your nails out a little bit. Or you can get a fake nail. But here we go. So yeah, if your nail was a little longer, you could attach it kind of more set to the size, then file it down. Wow, beautiful. So beautiful.
It looks a little bit weird.
Yeah, I mean,
So
if you get a picture of your girlfriend or something, it might be more.
Hi guys, this is Dr. Mihi. Let's go and see what kind of new Korean item we're gonna explore today. Go, go!
If we have like longer nails, that's how it could look.
Yeah.
That looks so good.
Okay, so I came inside and let's see what they have. It's in a meeting, but they're doing nails. I think I need a job here. Excuse me? What are you doing right now?
소비자 입장에서 제품을 한번 테스트해보고 있어요.
I think it's an app, and you can design your own nail art. Actually, I'm very interested in nail art as well, and I think I need a job here, seriously. And could you explain us about your company and your product?
2010년도에 창업을 한 글로벌 강소기업이고요. 인스턴트 카메라, 그다음에 인스턴트 프린터의 모바일용의 제품을 글로벌 기업인 HP, 캐논, 삼성, LG 등과 같이 협력해서 개발을 하고 공급을 하고 있는 회사입니다.
저렇게 찍는 지렁이.
What?
좋다.
So this nail pop beauty device is very efficient, but yet very small and portable and really cute, isn't it? So could you tell me more about its advantages?
세계 최소형 뷰티 디바이스로 올해 2020년 미국 라스베가스에서 벌어진 CES 2020에서 제품 혁신상을 받았습니다. 스마트폰을 이용해서 자기가 꾸미고 싶은 사진을 불러와서 네일 아트를 즐길 수가 있습니다.
So now I'm gonna try this out, and using this nail pop app, we're gonna print this out and put it on my thumbnail. So I'm gonna take a selfie.
And then you have to dry it with the UV light. If we had longer nails, it could be like perfect like that.
Yeah, cool. We don't have to use it.
I'm gonna put my face on my thumbnail.
그렇죠. 그리고 여기에서 아래로 쓱싹쓱싹.
So this is very easy to.
사용을 한 후에는 꼭 LED 램프로 구워야지 녹지 않고 잘 사용할 수 있어요.
And we're done.
이게 끝날 때까지 끝나면 불빛이 꺼집니다.
Ta-da!
딴딴.
Ta-da! Ta-da! Yay! Okay, I heard that there is a secret to this nail paper, so I'm gonna go and find out.
There's so many colors in the machine.
You can get really various designs on it.
Yes.
Excuse me? I've heard that there is a secret to this paper. Could you explain what that is?
네일팝 전용 특수용지는 물에 닿아도 색이 잘 번지지 않아 오랫동안 원형을 유지할 수 있습니다. 그리고 이 특수용지는 스티커 재질로 되어 있기 때문에 쉽게 붙일 수 있고 쉽게 제거할 수 있습니다.
So I tried this one and I really like it, and it was really easy to try, and you don't have to go to nail salon anymore. And it's very easy to get them off too. So you should try it too.